Today I wanted to give my quick review of this VEVOR temporary power outlet panel. My dad needed something on the side of his garage to be able to run his welder, or could even work on an electric vehicle. So if you're into RVing, camping, or just need power for your construction site or any outdoor activity, this might be exactly what you need. I did get it from the brand as a gift to try out to give our review of. So the first thing we had to do was get it mounted onto the side of my dad's shop. So he went ahead and drilled the holes, but this panel gives you three different outlets: a 50 amp, a 30 amp, and a 20 amp GFCI, which means whether you're charging your electric vehicle, powering up your camper or RV, or just need some reliable power, like for welding, like I mentioned, you've got options to cover all of those needs. It's got you covered for pretty much any setup. You can easily pick the right outlet for whatever device or cable you're working with. Super easy to get started. You can just plug it in and you can go. So it's really been great for us to have this on the outside of his garage. So when we lug the welder out, he can easily use it. My dad did love how heavy duty this thing is. It's really built to last with a tough outer shell that can resist rust and will hold up against the harsh weather conditions. So if you're dealing with rain, snow, or extreme temperatures, you can rely on this panel to keep performing just like you need it to. It says that it will work in temperatures from negative 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 40 degrees Celsius. So no matter the season, it's good to go. And let me mention how waterproof this thing is. It's got an IP54 waterproof rating. So if you get caught in the rain, no worries, your panel is still safe. The outlets are WR rated, meaning they'll automatically disconnect if water touches them, giving you that extra peace of mind. And setting it up was a breeze. It came pre-wired, so all my dad had to do was hook it up and we were ready to roll. Plus the grounding wires are already connected, so you don't have to worry about any complicated setup there. It was really super secure right out of the box. My dad's going to get a whole lot of use out of this. Like he said, once he got it up and wired in and being able to use it, it was perfect for what he needed it for. He's already used it for his welder and a few other power tools, and he hasn't had any problems. So it's definitely going to be out here for a long while, getting a lot of use out of it. So if this is something that you're looking for to purchase, I would definitely recommend this VEVOR temporary power outlet panel.